Um, I just experienced a major drainage and sneezing episodes. So you know what those are with that when you know what a magneto is. The magnetosphere, the electric wave, the heart wave, right? And and so the reason that this happened, and a lot of what I'm going to share now is sort of woven as a tapestry throughout a lot of different videos that I put up as it relates to a spiral, a time wave, as it's called. And so sneezing is called making an adjustment, a variable speed adjustment, um, which is my true identity. And the reason that this is so for example, why I got a message, yeah, get rid of your phone, because this is really how it works. All the phones and the laptops, we all know this, are all weaponized. And they represent a fallen system, which is a fallen timeline, if you will. Okay, it's going bye-bye. They're implosion codes, which means the holographic resonant field of what we see in our mirror is a fallen system. Okay, so when our consciousness, like when my consciousness is looking at YouTube videos or Facebook stuff, that's a fallen timeline. Okay, that's dead finite light holographic mathematical information codes. That when your consciousness is running those codes, you're locked into that density of that consciousness, which is the black and the red pulse D1 atomic implosion codes, right? So when I turn on the phone in the morning, for example, and I'm processing those codes that represent implosion codes, and then I go, for example, to RK Seeker of Truth channel, and then I listen to the Eka Veka codes and the maps, right? Bang, sneezing. That's the adjustment. Now I'm back to that. So it has everything to do with consciousness, which is energy, the template, the consciousness, the solar code, the signet, our solar code identity, our core, our nuclear core blast furnace, our encryption code of what we're processing as cellular recordings. The codes, the holographic codes. I call them running dead codes, finite deadlight codes, the dark flower holographic codes, and living codes, living energy, living spirits. Completely different experiences. Those are the two realities, the two spirals. One's going to implode and go nova. The other one goes on forever, recreating itself. Excuse me. That's called real live reels. I'm a live one. Right? So you're experiencing the truth. Because I live in the truth, which is living in honor. Because that's what love is. Because that's what I experienced in my heart and my solar Rishi Solar arcane spiritual essence. So I simply share and speak on my own self's behalf what I experience, and I thus record that I share with all of you from what I've learned, because learning is an experience by virtue of what we record, by what we experience that we share with others. And how you translate that is not up to me. But we are nuclear reactors, reacting to the input, to the holographic input, the holographic codes, the codes of the templates, the temples, the sun temples, the solar Reiki, the sphere of light. So I thought I'd share that because that's what I just experienced. The difference in codes, dead codes and living codes, the eternal life codes, eternal life consciousness field, a first creation, which is what love is, born of fire and water, fire and ice crystals, crystal displays. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah.